ezi onye nwanyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọbụla naanị ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọbụla naanị ya bụ ọkaka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ. Ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi, onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ, maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi, n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọbịa nwere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkọ uwe na-arịọ gị na-asị, lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt gotu wee wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbodo ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị, wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtụ na eji ama mgbe niile, n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị na-efe nwanyị akpụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ija mma, na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụ ịkụnye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala nwekwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anyị onwe anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị, na-asị na enweghị chi ọzọ egwezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, wee na-eto gị, na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana nwere onye kere na n'otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi, mara ebighị ka a na-arịọ gị. Ise.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi, known as the Gracia or the Sea of this year, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke na-akụ mmiri. That's the only thing that I have brought upon your platform. And you get to hit the like button and share. Very, very importantly, hit the like button and share this very program. I have been disturbed in the spirit. I woke up this morning, I'm paralyzed, weak. I wake up, that was around to 4. Since then, sleep have not entered these eyes. I have been sitting on the bed, thinking. Many things have come into my mind. How Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped, and how the light was carried. How Mazen Simon Oge was sabotaged by ndị hụrụ na-akọ akụkọ ndara. Ndị hụrụ na-akọ akụkọ ndara. It was a very big sabotage, if you know what happened. I have been disturbed. We cry if you go anywhere in the internet. You will see many people shouting, "We declare Biafra in Finland, we declare Biafra." If you even watch the New Year Akateku of nwanyị Okpoko, you will hear her saying that she declared Biafra in Finland, she declared Biafra. And after the declaration of Biafra, Ohozi defended the land of Biafra. Recently, she came out to debunk that nobody died in the military. That she did the military. First badge, that there is a rumor that first badge, second badge died. Ngozi, how can you be comfortable lying to our own people? What's wrong with you? Are you telling them, are you not telling them that recruitment, my name was there? You use my name without my notice and scam people. It was Adadi Orama that brought to your attention the scam. And they said, Emmanuel Oremijuice, authorized by Emmanuel Oremijuice. During that time, no confidence in you. So you were using anybody that Biafra people felt that they have confidence in them. Up to when the guy, even the guy up to today, nobody hears his voice again. said that he paid 300,000 for the recruitment. Adadiorama brought it to your attention. And they Uchiya, just because then everybody was afraid that, oh, if they bust the thing now, Oge Nkere will take over. Onye ọbụla na-ayọ sọsọ kpuchie ebupụta internet na many people will no longer join. I scam more people with the name of Emmanuel Oremijus without my notice. Non-internet na shout. Ewere Emmanuel Oremijus nsi na-enweghị importance. Iji aha m wee scam more people. Today, you are scamming in millions. But that is not my problem. I want to let me put to your notice her disclaimer before I continue what I have this very morning.
Fellow Biafrans, on this new year, I wish you all a happy new year. I wanted to use this opportunity to make few clarifications to Biafrans so that no one gets distracted as we move into 2026 to dismantle every single element of Nigeria occupation in Biafra land and their agents that has made the restoration of this beautiful nation over the years very difficult, either through their compromise, either through their sabotage, or by their actions. I want to let Biafrans know this cabinet has not had any program where any Biafran was killed, either recruitment or anything. That has not happened. All USB recruitment and trainings are done online in the IHL trainings. The propaganda by agents of the Nigerian terrorist state are lies. The lies they perpetuate. The first batch of Biafrans, second batch, third batch were killed. There is nothing like that. That never happened.
She said that what we said about the first batch who were killed, second batch who were killed, that there is nothing like that and that never happened. That was in her statement. And did you remember the people being caught by man past man? Did you remember? The USB soldiers being caught by man past man. And the other one said, when they were asking him about the other one, he said he was among the people that were killed. You see from my voice, let me even put the ones that I have their list here.
Raise your voice. Onye be. I'm on Ebonyi State. Who Ebonyi? Kesa na Ebonyi State. Ikwo local government.
Yes.
Kebunus.
I say Obunka.
Obunka camp.
Obunka camp.
Kefa na kponu.
Biafra Liberation Army.
Okay, Biafra Liberation Army.
Yes.
Okay. Keba jidere unu.
Njidere na checking point.
Okay, na checking point anya bi. Kebu na-eje.
I na-eje mission.
Oku na-eje mission.
Yes.
Okay. Can you wear all these properties? Can you wear? Akuru nwe abi?
Ngwa. Undeba unu n'anya ndị awo Liberation Army. Ebe kampu ha dị n'anya ya awa ọgwụ ha. Ebe kampu ha dị Owerezi Ogbunka. Na checking point ka anyị nọ today wee fụrụ ha. I tore her down with akpa ha bush. Wee search ba ha, wee nwetasi all these items. Wee juba ebe a na-eje asị na a na-eje for mission. Anyị nwa amala the mission ebe a na-eje. And wee vute ha office anyị.
Wena na camera.
Hey, raise your face. And wee vute ha n'office anyị. Ị na-anya ifu igwe. Ifu ọgwụ ha. Ifu ihe niile, ifu boot ha. For their beret,
Uniform.
Their
logo, with their new can. That is it. You can see the logo.
In a state of Biafra.
Mm-hmm.
In a state of Biafra.
The logo is United States of Biafra. It is somebody who told you that never happened. Now I will unravel the puzzle. Did you remember my early warning? When I left her, I said, those of you who will join her with a clear mind that she won Biafra. But in anything that you are doing, immediately you start carrying gun to challenge the status quo, you will be sabotaged. You will be sabotaged, singled out and sabotaged. Now, one will argue, oh, she have army. She have no army. If she have army, she will be willing to show you the army. Some of her commanders who have left her and some of the people who have left her have mocked her. You come to internet, you shout, whereas inside you don't do anything. It is shouting. Now, if she have anybody that she equipped with gun, the one called Okute, what is his name? Is it Okute? One of her commander, the governor of Enugu State. One of Ngozi Arabeze's governor. Is it Okute in his name? Not the other Okute that is supporting Oge Nkere. I have forgotten his name. That one went to scam somebody 15 million. 15 good million. That is, he told that one to contribute money. That one called him and said, train 30 people. Let us satisfy 30 people so that they will be going out to work, confront the terrorists and delegitimize. That one have the clear mind of bringing Biafra. But he never knew that he was on the wrong side of the history. And he was supporting Ngozi Arabese. When he told that one, he told Okute. Okute came back and told him that fortification of 30 people is 15 million. That one was shocked. 15 million. Something that as at then, 1 million can do. 30 people, 1 million can do it. Fortification of 30 people, 1 million can do it. He told him, even 1 million is, 600,000 can do it. He told that one 15 million. In a Biafra where we are trying to get freedom, people are trying to scam our own people. Fortification. If you count, let us assume then 20,000. Onwere ekpere na-eme eji 10,000 eme. Complete fortified. Disappearance mgbe anyị gwọrọ disappearance ego ole ka eji wee gwo ya ọhọ 20,000. Those of you who got the disappearance then and was disappearing, was it not 20,000 that made you people to disappear? Ole shi arụ ọrụ in struggle, the difference from ole shi arụ ọrụ individuals ọrụ. Those who do the work, the money you give to them cover the work and they get their own gain. But if it were to be individual, they will collect better money. That you will see them buy this thing. Okute told him 15 million scam. Then he told that one should get gun, four gun. Let them start for a start. Now if there is any gun, a governor who oversees the affairs of the state will not be asking somebody to get gun. To the extent that he lied to the guy, that the guy should pay him or that he have sold his land 15 million and use that 15 million to do the work, that the guy should pay him. He started threatening the guy to come and give him 15 million. And when that one failed, Ngozi Arabeze came and announced that one is a scammer, a cultist. That was how that one came on social media, on WhatsApp group, and said he did not even come to social media, in their group. He was explaining what transpired. Why must they put his name in this and that? But your good intention They will brandish it evil, because you cannot tell me that somebody who appointed a sitting police officer, her commander, and that police officer have not been arrested by the state, and you tell me all is well. Just to be sincere, let's assume that Master Simon Ekpa, when he was there, he called the state police, this and that he's now commander. The next day, that one will be arrested immediately. Arrested immediately. But people are not perturbed. They don't care. Ask who sold out these very people. It is the same them. Now, let me tell you, the capture of these very people and the rest of the people, not only these very people, you saw the same woman telling you, oh, nobody have been killed in the recruitment. All of you saw the gruesome picture I posted long ago on Twitter. People, United States of mmiri, people that went to the recruitment to Leshuelo Dohana Hilos. I don't know if you try and search for that picture. And she told you people nothing happened. Now I have been thinking, ndị ji asị lead their government. I atogidere ndị asị afọ ọkụ ha. But let me move on. I have been thinking, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, inside, if not by God, God have ordained it. I can't forget this Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. How many of our own people are talking about him? How many? How many? It is because it have moved to global and has become a global phenomenon. That is the reason why the name Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is still echoing. If not, our own people would have sabotaged him, would have backstabbed him, would have, just the way they sabotage him in Kenya, and the IPOB coordinator of Kenya. Nobody knows about him up to this very day. The one that collected money. They covered him. Maazị Simon Ekpa, upon which name this woman is scamming people. All of us, we are here when they insulted Maazị Simon Ekpa. You had the one who that he will support their madam ahead of Maazị Simon Ekpa. All of you, we are here when they started mounted media war against Maazị Simon Ekpa because they felt that Finland will release him. So that they will use media war. Now Maazị Simon Ekpa is being sentenced. They have returned using his name again. All of us, we are here when this very woman said that even Maazị Simon Ekpa cannot stop the United States of Biafra, that he is an individual. All of us, we are here. And those of you have to believe in her mini government. And she have started using the name Maazị Simon Ekpa, our PM. Scam. But look, let me tell you people why I am thinking. Why I have had sleepless nights and couldn't sleep. If you love Biafra, you will think this very way. There is nobody that will give you freedom. We have the chance in a platter of gold now. Trump is the president of America. And if we fold our hands, he can never, ever recognize us. All of you shouting recognition, or Israel recognize us. Nobody will recognize you because you are not doing anything. If you like, hire the highest lobbyist. Go to the Washington, D.C. from now till January. Nobody will recognize you. I'm letting you people to know. If they have to consider to recognize it, will be because of the incarceration of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, who is inside DSS, who was inside DSS for 4 good years, and then transferred to Sokoto, the stronghold of the terrorists in Nigeria. All of you know, the reason why they transferred Mazen Dekano to Sokoto is because that place is the stronghold of the terrorists leading Nigeria. They said, bring him to us. Bring him to us. And all of you know, the biggest terrorist settlement is in Sokoto. We saw it during US bombing. So what can we do in order to get freedom? So that you do not blame Trump tomorrow. All these things, if you believe in her, that means you can believe in anything in the world. The only thing that will work is Biafra land, security of Biafra land. I heard her in New Year. She said, all the security apparatus Mazen Namdekano use, the Mazen Simon, that is the water the USB is protecting and leading. I'll call you sit down. Sit going down. Dissect here on Akoroge. If with a video cook okuru tata, dissect one after the other. The possibility of whom you Koroge. Compare in 3 months, in here in 3 months. In 3 months' time, for those who have a blockhead, then come back and thank me later. Just now, write here down. You have no corona ABPK point. Write here down. In 3 months, you will see that even that one, you will become confused, jotting her nonsense down. So that you do not listen to Ogwon and able-bodied men will now be reasoning like a Ekoftamus. Or just be reasoning like people who have no focus, no purpose in life. I am letting you people to know the truth and nothing but the truth. If we do not do anything, one of the things that she did very well, Master Simon, Master Simon is leading. I am the one leading it. One of the things that she does very well is lying to you people. Now, Nigerian government was calling BLA criminals. Criminals when Master Simon was there. Even from when Master Namdekano was there. Eastern Security Network, criminals, non-state actors. They are buying people, taking blood, doing this. When Master Simon was there, they continued all their propaganda. Have you wondered where are the propagandists? Caterpillar, that is now your state. Your state is distant. For how many years he ran propaganda against Master Simon celebrated the arrest of Master Simon in Finland. I played The Voice. The Voice is on Emmanuel Remigius platform, please. That's Emmanuel Remigius platform. That platform which I have lost. The people that copied that voice and reposted it is Akbarawadem. They copied the voice and reposted it in their platform. And I'm asking them, anyone who have the voice, that video, should send it to me. I cannot log in on Facebook for now. Any Facebook for now. I have not been on Facebook for a very long time. The battle that we are fighting is very strong. We have to dismantle the temples of lies. The temples and the tabernacles of lies. We have to destroy them. So that if we need to get freedom, we need to be focused. If you are not focused, you can't get your own freedom. You cannot get your own freedom if you are not focused. And look, let me tell you people the fact and the truth. The fact and the truth. This very woman is banking on your own intelligence. Made Caterpillar commander. How many more? BLA, the Nigeria Bogaha, criminals. She came and told you people, oh, they are criminals and kidnappers snatching this thing. That is the reason why she said she stabilized Biafra land. Where one's chaos was the order of the day. Have you asked yourself, what did she stabilize? Suppressing the BLA. And somebody who told you, I am not a country now. USB, mmiri, akwa, the same way she lied to you that nobody have been killed. All of you know from the pictures evidence I present, from video evidence, the people that they sabotage also. And now she run, after declaring that she's not a country, she have entered into elite squad. How can you be a country and you have no army, you have a squad? Oga, kedinda na kodoro ihe okwa ndi gara school. Some of you are university graduates. Now look at where I am thinking, not because of this very woman, but because of what you people are doing to yourselves. I have been thinking, if we do not do anything and continue to shoot ourselves on the leg, we can't go anywhere. We can't go anywhere. How many? Do you know why I stopped? The reason why I stopped attacking the rest of the people is because consistently these children of Chukwu Okike Abiama said they get money from other places. I stopped. Not that I have more problem with them. There are too many lies which we are told in this very struggle. And since I have been following struggle, the only person that lie more than devil, that lied like this is Owazirike, but Ngozi Orabeze have overtaken Owazirike. Nwanyị a ya pụta nọrọ n'oche n'afọ gasị. Ihe makwa na asị. Ọ na-afụ ya fọchicha anya. Then ehuzie our own people, our mayor republic. You will see them praising her. 1 year Ghana, the land of Biafra, and we are now a republic now. When we are not a republic, we control at least territories of our land. We control. I gotta declare Biafra. I say after this we will then press for more control. We will take over government house, this and that. Even after that, we have lost the controls of many places. Governor's house is now a big dream. Stop sabotaging your own self. I will be here telling you that truth. Do you know why I preach my own? So that posterity will bear me witness. Ịnọdịgodo ebe a till this year go, onwekwe ihe Ngozi Orabeze ya emere gị. Ọkwa akụkọ ndị ara. Ọ ya achọkwa another thing. Buputere ụnọ. Ebuona whistle. We have decentralized. Everybody have gotten gone. We are now. Ọnọkata buoro ụnọ mgbe anyị na-agba ya ọtọ. Buoro ụnọ. We are now passing a bill to defend ourselves. It will enable our army to go into action. Na jụọ ya kedu ebe amị ya nọ. Amị ahụ ọ pasara bill na ha ga decentralize. Hey, ejigokwa ashigbuo our own people. Ya na ebe ewere ashi na bust your brain. Biko, mụ na unu nọ ebe a mgbe a pasara bill. Let our army go and defend ourselves. And so no, she's doing it because we are exposing her. These things are intelligent games. She will ask, what can I do now? So that these very people will say that I am original, or come up with something that you people know that she cannot do. Onye ji $4.something million we go on whistle. And whistle in New Year, her achievement, she never mentioned whistle. Something is spent $4.something million. Don't take it from me, or in her program. She said that each of the whistle cost her, is it 94 or 96? Either 96 cents, or for 4 cents, or $1. And she said she will buy 5 million whistle. And she said she have bought 5 million whistle. 5 million whistle is $4.something million. All of you know money. Ndị na-aga atụ ahịa, all of you know money. $4.something million. All of you know the amount akpọrọ aha. In her New Year address, nụrụ ebe o kwuru whistle. O nwere ebe unu nụrụ o kwuru na ya oburu unu whistle ka unu gbuo ụgakwa isi unu, ka unu gbuo amaala mawa isi unu ụga. Unu o nwere ebe unu nụrụ o kwuru ya. Ndị na-egbu whistle. $4.something million embezzled. And the image makers, oh, mama. I am really ashamed. If this thing did not happen, I will not know that there are many fake in freedom. I will not know. There are many fake freedom fighters. But these things explains a lot. It exposes a lot. Freedom is the only thing that I keep on crying. Those image makers can go on and on. My own is that when you are telling the truth at the long run, for 1 year, Ghana, those of you now say, oh, it is too early for her to confront the zoo. This year. Last year, that she have put all the mechanism to confront the zoo, and they are lying, this and that. Last year, Ghana, confrontation of the zoo by anybody, or sabotage of the people. Now, all these people, their video, alerted her that they bought gun or kamed to be going on assignment. That is the reason why they pick these very people in the checking point. Before you go to assignment, you will tell her which day. You will tell her which riot, the road that you are passing. Ask them. On here, before you go any walk, you must tell me where you are going. You must get me the pictures of those going on the walk. You must tell me which day and the time that they are going to the walk. That we are not a government. The government will direct you on what to do. Hey, feeling I don't know na akoro mo bingo sa na say nazo. O man and down akoro of a wise man. And I keep on warning those of you following her. The moment the riot pass, the day he assignment, ye fix in the bruginozo. Are you getting me? Ye fix in the bruginozo. Now, as for people saying, oh, why did they catch them if they are supporting them? They catch them so that the video will be, oh, we are working. If we are not working, why must they catch us? I have explained all these things, and I told you at the beginning that this is what you are going to start expecting. Go and check, go back to those videos that I have made. I have been in this very freedom for going to 20 years, and I know, 21 years I mean to say, time have expired.